Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that many of us struggle with, bloating and how it's linked to bile production. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about foods that can cause bloating. Common culprits include beans, legumes, certain fruits, sugars like lactose from milk, and even too much fiber, especially bran. But eliminating these foods might not always solve the problem. Now, onto bile, a crucial digestive fluid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile emulsifies fats, helping us absorb essential fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. It also helps eliminate excess cholesterol and prevents bacterial overgrowth in the small intestine. When bile production is low, you might experience bloating, greasy stool, pale or gray stool, fat-soluble vitamin deficiencies, and even high cholesterol. Low bile means fats aren't digested properly, leading to bloating and other digestive issues. So, what causes bile deficiency? It can be due to gallbladder removal, low-fat diets, antibiotics disrupting your gut microbiome, high estrogen levels, high insulin, high cortisol, and liver conditions like fatty liver or cirrhosis. Even some medications and dietary habits can impact bile production. Thankfully, there are solutions. Consuming healthy fats, taking probiotics, practicing intermittent fasting, following a low-carb diet, and supplementing with purified bile salts after meals can improve bile reserves and digestion. That's all for today. Remember, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle are key to good digestion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.